Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how I recreated this Jenna Ortega Golden Globes makeup look. This is a very special event look. It's not a casual look at all. You can wear it on weddings, you can wear it if you're going out on a date or any other social gathering or party. So I'm going to show you how I recreated this look, so keep watching. Okay, I just washed my face with the Clear Plus Smoothie Face Wash. My skin feels less oily, hydrated and clean after using this face wash. Then I'm going to apply the Clear Plus Invisible Sunscreen. Sunscreen is extremely important. It's got SPF 50 and is 100% transparent, so no white cast and gets absorbed easily. It's lightweight and has a non-sticky formula, and it's water and sweat resistant and hydrates the skin, and is pregnancy and lactation safe. So both these products have green tea salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid, which is great for people who suffer from acne. It's suitable for oily and combination skin, and this range is completely color-free and fragrance-free, and it just gives a very soft, glowing, moisturized and nourished skin. With each purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you help someone in need to get access to clean drinking water, and it's got a unique water lock technology which locks in moisture in the skin. Aqualogica is vegan, cruelty-free and clean, and you can use my coupon code SUSH2023 for 20% off on aqualogica.in. These products are also available on Amazon and Nykaa, but my code is only applicable on Aqualogica's website. I'll mention all the links in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And now let's get started with the video. A lot of you guys in the comments have mentioned in the past that you guys don't have the products that I use and are skeptical to use your own products, if they'll be okay for the look or not. So today I'm not going to name any products. I'm just going to show you that this is what I'm using, and I'm sure you just have to get over this fear of if this product is gonna fit this look or not. You can just use whatever product you have. It just needs to be in the right shade and color and texture, so that is what is important. So I am going to use a foundation first, and I'm just gonna blend it with a brush. So for this look, I want it to be glowy, and I'm using a glow foundation. If you don't have a dewy, glowy foundation, you can always mix your foundation with beauty oil. I'll mention all the products in the description box below that I'm using, so you can check those out. And now I'm going to color correct a little bit on the sides of my forehead using an orange color corrector. So if you have an orange color corrector, you're good to go. You don't need to use a color corrector if you don't have any pigmentation. Then it's fine, you can just go ahead with the foundation. I'm also going to color correct my under eye area, so I've got dark circles there. And now I'm going to go ahead with the foundation on my forehead. Now I'm just going to use a concealer. I'm just going to put a lot of concealer under my eyes, and I am going to blend my concealer with my fingers. So I always feel that the warmth of my fingers just blends the product easily. It just melts down the product. This concealer has got a medium to full coverage, and I just love the coverage of this concealer. Okay, the concealer's all blended. Now I'm going to set the concealer. I'm just going to use a loose powder. I'm not going to bake my under eye area today. I'm just going to slowly push in the product. So I'm just going to place the product in my under eye area very, very gently. Now since our base is done, let's move on with the eyes first. So let's do the eyebrows first. So I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil and just fill in any gaps that I have. It just takes hardly 10 seconds for me to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette and use this brown. This is mid brown. It's not too warm, not too cool, so it's perfect for the crease area. So I'm just gonna pick some and apply it in the crease of my eyes. It should be a very light wash of brown on the crease of your eyes, nothing too much. Next, I'm going to take this cream shade and apply it all over my eyelids. It just will look like a very clean eye look. Going back with the brown shade, just applying it a little bit. Okay, we're also going to apply the brown shade on our lower lash line. Now is the tough part, taking the eyeliner. I'm going to line my eyes. Do it one step at a time. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, but just don't rush, and I also don't need to talk right now. I can't. So I'm just going to take it up like that. Okay, let's do the same to the other one. So I'm just going to thicken it a little bit. I'll do the same with this one also. Okay, so both eyes done. Now taking a black kajal, I'm just going to line my lower lash line. Not taking this to the waterline because we've got to add white eyeshadow on the waterline. Okay, so just this, and then just extending it a little bit. We'll do that with the brush, not with the kajal. Now we're going to take this brush. It's a flat brush, and we're going to smudge the kajal and extend it a little bit. Now we will need a black eyeshadow, and with the same brush we're gonna just make it look very, very clean. We're going to just go ahead with the wing, the lower lash wing, which is like, you just take one step at a time. If you mess it up, we're gonna clean it with the concealer. Don't worry about that. Now we are going to go in with the white. I'm gonna take this white and apply it on my lower lash line. If you have a white kajal, you can do that. Ooh, this is looking good. Okay, I'm done with my eyes. Now I'll go ahead with a blush. So today I'm gonna use a coral shade. The coral shade looks beautiful. I'm gonna use this contour shade. It's a cool toned contour shade. I'm gonna contour my cheeks, jawline. Now I'm going to use a highlighter. So I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone area. Now I'm going to use a peachy brown lipstick shade, and I'm going to apply it on my lips. And then I'm going to use a mascara.
এইখানে যেটা হয়েছে, এইখানে একটু উঁচু হয়ে আছে, দেখ।
এবার ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ, এবার ঠিক আছে।
Alright guys, so that was it. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you loved it, and if you did, then do like and share it with your friends. Let me know if you watched Wednesday and who's the favorite character from that show. I loved Wednesday. Also subscribe to my channel guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.